pearls. I'm telling you, you blink it, you miss it. It's that quick. So we have the knit side. Now we got the purl side. So instead of having the yarn behind, we're going to have the yarn in the front for this purl. So we're going to do the same 4 things. We're just doing things in the front. 1 in the front. 2. Now we're going to take that under. Look, watch it go under. Hey, yeah. And then take him off. Boom. Let's do it again. 1. Yarn in the front. Wrap him around. 2. Get him underneath. 3. And then take him off. 4. That's it. You know how to knit. You know how to purl. You can make whatever you want. All right, peep it. You got to get back to what you was doing. So we're going to show you how to do the knit stitch right now. This is super important. It's like the forehand in tennis. It's essential. That's a word for the time, ain't it? So we're going to go ahead and stick it in, wrapping around. Now let's focus on that wrap around, right? We're going to take that wrap around. We're going to tuck him through. Hey, what up? And we're going to push him off, all right? 4 steps. 1, wop. 2, wop. 3, wop. 4, done. That's it. That's all you got to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Now get back to what you was doing.